Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute. In this video, discuss about the multi-agri cutter. In agricultural field, cutting operation frequently used. So we design compact and economical multi-agri cutter for farmers. Right. One side of the rotating disc is connected with the motor. Another side of the rotating disc is connected with cutter for the cutting purpose. Let's see the working video of this project. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.